Chevelle time here at Unique Specialty Classics. Chevelle is definitely one of our better selling models here. This particular one, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop. Beautiful blue color. This is actually winning blue, a Mazda paint code. 37L is the actual code on it. Now underneath the hood, this one's been modified a little bit. 6-liter LQ4 engine that is paired up with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, serpentine belt setup on it. We're going to check out underneath the hood here in a little bit. Let you hear this run. We'll pop the hood. But first we'll do a little walk around. Check out the chrome. Headlight surrounds, grille. Very presentable on this car. Majority of the work on this car was just done in 2021 here, so a lot of fresh components on it. I'm going to go down the list of those here in just a bit. But first of all, if you want to check out the still pictures, be able to see the underside of the car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look down the passenger side of this car. As you can see, it's riding on the American Racing 5-spoke wheels. Interior, black vinyl. Buckets up front. Center console with a horseshoe shifter. A couple aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Now, as far as some of the newer components on this, first of all, underneath the hood, let's hit on some of that. It does have Hedman headers. Edelbrock carb and intake, so it is a carbureted 6-liter. Pipes, 3-inch exhaust on it, and this one has a nice throaty sound to it, no doubt about that. Aluminum 3-core radiator with shroud and fans, new heater core and coolant hoses, new alternator and belts, brake booster, master cylinder, proportioning valve, all new. Fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, also new. Calipers, rotors, and flex lines, new on this one. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you check out the chrome in the rear here. And as you can see, nice shape, dual exhaust. There's a retro style radio, retro sound I should say, that has been installed. Also, there's going to be the box for the intake manifold, and there's some drip rail chrome trim pieces that will be in the trunk. So I'll send those boxes with the car because that's the things that were installed on it. And then the chrome drip rails if you wanted to put those on. Right now they're color keyed to the car and look fine, but those will be with the car also. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. A few other things new on this. Rear springs and shocks, front and rear glass, the weather stripping, complete interior, and then that retro sound radio that I mentioned too. And there'll be a description, check that out. You can read down below the pictures on this car. It's going to tell you about components that are new and some of the things that were just done to this car. Take a look down the driver's side. You can also see the car is nice and straight. Paint has a great finish to it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Again, black vinyl. Carpeting, nice shape. Door panels. Take a look at the vinyl. Again, like new. Headliner also. Good shape. We'll go ahead and fire this up so you can hear that 6-liter. Oh, after market tack on the steering column. Also notice that cowl induction hood did close up. That is working. Did have the wipers also working. As you can hear, stereo also works. Blower fan worked. Gas gauge. Like I said, new sending unit. Take a look at the top of the dash here. Also good shape. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this. Throaty exhaust, again, 3 the underside pics of this car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood and we'll check out that engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, let her warm up a little bit. Came off high idle. There you can see new brake booster proportioning valve. 6 liter. Obviously going to be electronic ignition. Coil over plug technology. There's that billet serpentine belt system. New water pump. 3/4 aluminum radiator fan and shroud. Smooth on the engine. Wow. It'll be a fun one to drive. Headman headers. Nice tidy engine bay. Take a look underneath the hood. Again, cowl induction hood. That is working. Pretty impressive. I'm going to slip around to the back. I want you to hear this too when it came down off the high idle after it was warmed up just a tad there. Great sound. There you go. Call for details, 507-386-1726. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 2-door hardtop. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.